So guys, recently Java introduced 15 version. You can say Java 25 year of completion. That means it's called Silver Jubilee. So on the Silver Jubilee now introducing 15 version. Lots of feature are added in Java 15. We can check out on this release note what he mentioned and what is not mentioned, something like that. Okay guys, let's go and move on. So these are flowing section are included in this presentation, like introduction, what is new in JDK 15 version, and removing some features and some duplicated features and options, and remove different between Oracle JDK and Oracle's OpenJDK. One of the best things now you are exploring on that topics. So first of all, introduction, you already know like what things are added, what API are removed, what API are added, and what things are provided. You already know like introductions. So first of all, I would like to tell about like JDK 8. You already know JDK 8. Lots of the industry are still running on JDK 8. Okay, so this is what introduced on 2014 March. Then after 3 years introduced Java 9, like lot gap on this. So where they introducing 19 plus features on Java 9. Then after 10, after 6 months, then 10, then 6 months JDK 11, then 6 months 12, then 6 months 13, then 6 months 14, then 6 months 15 now. So now the Oracle JDK, Oracle, or you can say Java, are every 6 months introduce new version of Java. You can say that. Now we are checking out what is in this new in Java 15 version. So what is new in GTK feature enhancement, like adding is empty default method for character sequence, supported Unicode 13 version, added incoming MPI ID support, a specialized implementation for tree mappings, or support certified authorized extension. Yes, please on to a hidden class. Hidden class is one of the best thing in this Java 15 version. Also provided SHA-3 base hash algorithm, MIC algorithms. You already know SHA, SHA1, SHA2, and SHA3 now introduced in Java 15 version. Oracle, Oracle JDK installer for Windows provided extension is path capable from any command prompt is added in this feature. So feature removed and optional. RMI static stub compiler. When you're working with RMI, remote verifications. So every time they have to couple one compiler for the running for some stuff things, and remove some tip, remove of doc sign root C certified, remove terminality. So solar is a flow slack start stock socket options, remove NAS home JavaScript engine, and duplicated feature and optional features. You can say like duplicated is RMI activation from remover, user based locking, and duplicated base CS locking flag, duplicated XX force num and options, disable native sun implementation by the default. As you know, the sun epic is by default, isn't it? So now this is can be duplicated. So different between OpenJDK and OpenJDK, they are the difference. So Oracle JDK and OpenJDK are different. So Oracle JDK is often installer like MSI, RDB, DVA, or ETC. So based on platform, it decided which only not only is special for JDK binding in this system, but it also contain the updated rule, some classes handle some command configuration like environment variables such as Windows. Everything mentioned on Oracle JDK. Like when you install automatic setup path on Windows, these are the steps. Studies such as also Java use Java to launch JR files, and OpenJDK is often only such a compressed zip, just like tar or zip. Okay, a use of logging only available for Oracle JDK. This logging. Oracle JDK required third-party cryptography provided be signed by Java Crypto Extension JCE code signature certificate. OpenEdge continue allowed to use unsigned third-party. Okay, so you already know there are the security like when things can be filtered and they cannot filter. Just run the output of JDK like when you were type on command line Java space the version to get the like if you type these things you got JDK version, Java version, and Oracle JDK return like include or Java specification. OpenJDK returned the and return OpenJDK and does not include the Oracle space identifiers. You already know some difference. Oracle JDK is required under the OTN license. OpenJDK released under the GPL v2 CP3 license file including of each therefore different. Oracle JDK distribute free type under the free tier license and OpenJDK does not under JPL2 version. They contain legal Java desktop free tier MD. These file difference. Oracle JDK has cup of stream icon. OpenJDK has duck icon. Okay, the different is like cup and duck. Duke icon. Sorry, Duke icon. Oracle JDK's source code include Oracle's party confidential use subject line term and source distribution. OpenJDK referred to JPL license term instead. Okay, so now you can understand the things what's going on and what's these are the things included on that new features. You can also check out java.com about that